Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'll show you how to format your USB drive or a pen drive. So let's just insert the pen drive in the computer first. So once you insert, just go to the file explorer here and then go to this PC. Then we'll wait until the pen drive comes. So here, so I have a couple of videos on the pen drive. So to format it, just right click on format. Then here you will see the capacity of your pen drive. So after capacity, you have a file system, NTFS and exFAT. So you have to choose the right one. NTFS means New Technology File System, which work best on Windows and is more secure as well. And exFAT is a extended file allocation table. So you use NTFS if you need to use on the Windows computer mostly and need for the more secure ways, and you use exFAT if you want maximum compatibility across the computer and other devices. But my pen drive is only for Windows computer, so I will use NTFS this time. And then just write the name of the pen drive after format so that you want to see like this Sabine here. So I'll just write education 28. This is my channel name. So just click on start and make sure you have a backup of the file before you format if you are worried about the data. Then my format is completed and the name of my pen drive it changes to Savin Education 28 as we specified in the format section. I hope you like the content, and if you find the video helpful, please like the video, comment on the video, and subscribe my channel for more educational content like this. Thank you.